Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to change Roblox theme. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, first step that you have to do is open your Roblox app on your phone. And now go ahead to the three dots button at the bottom right. After, scroll it down to the settings and just tap on it. I'm gonna tap it right now. Now select on account info. In this account info page, you have to scroll it down until you see the theme. And now when you see the theme, you just have to tap on the field. As you see, now my theme is light and I'm gonna choose it to the dark one. Now tap on done. As you can see, now my theme is already changed to dark. And to save it, just tap on the save button here. And yes, success. Now my Roblox is in the dark mode. So guys, that's it from me. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.